best teacher. In the early time, the ancestors used to look at the nature and understand the important features of a life, the important lessons of a life. We can see that in ancient history, we have seen many hymns that are devoted to the nature. We all treated nature as a god.
Greetings and salutation, ladies and gentlemen. Here I am Nancy Kakkar to present you my views on Sabrimala verdict, which says women of all age groups are allowed to enter Sabrimala temple. I must appreciate this progressive judgment of a Supreme Court. This judgment not only promotes gender equality, but also takes steps towards creating scientific temperament.
In India, thousands of people affected in Andhra Pradesh because of flood. Second, in Bihar, 1 million people affected by flood in Bihar. They lost their houses. Even the government don't care about them. No one noticed what is going. No one noticed what is going on there. Third, in UP, approximately 300 villages flooded in Uttar Pradesh. Fourth, Assam. Assam people every year face flood. Not this year. I'm talking about every year in Assam.
Health is one of the most important wealth. So, as we all know and are aware that our health is the most important wealth that we have. We know that we can earn money if once we lose it, but we can't get back our good health easily if we lose it due to our carelessness.